pada masa tu memang tak ni bercelaru lah. Macam alamak, duit pun dah kurang. It's time for me to get someone help.
Assalamualaikum, nama saya Muhammad Hanafi.
Nama saya Norazlin binti Zakaria.
I got this kidney failure while I was at work. Tiba-tiba bawah pinggang kat sini sakit tengah kerja malam. Dia go to the hospital, they say kidney dah fail.
Dia tengah kat hospital apa semua. So I with my kids handling ni semua is quite struggling for me. Pasal yelah, mana nak bangun pagi, mana nak settlekan diorang. Usually he will help me to fetch the children everything. So bila changes tu dah berubah, terus macam alamak, dah jatuh lah. Kira kan mental dah unstable. Kadang-kadang kita ada berjumpa dengan macam social worker semua untuk mereka memberikan kita semangat. There's one word lah, apa tu, the phrase
Never say die. That's the motivation. Her name was Yasmin lah. Dia daripada Inspirasi. She was my counselor. So jadi I always complain to her, macam mengadu nasib lah. Then she always keep on pushing me saying that to never say die. So I kept that word with me until I work myself to take courses. But then jatuh sakit gini. But still I don't want to say die lah. Until I really die lah.
We are thankful for this organisation that came up to us yang nak ulurkan bantuan lah untuk budak-budak lah, especially budak-budak. Sejak apa yang berlaku ni, kita kurang bawa budak-budak keluar due to macam financial things. During school holiday ataupun macam weekends ke apa, they will create macam activity, pergi zoo ke, pergi paradise ke, which yang kita tak mampu. Dan lagi satu, diorang macam adakan camping. Nanti macam itu kita boleh bond dengan other family. So like we get to know their problem. So from there, kita tahu yang kita bukan seorang je yang ada masalah, but ada lagi orang yang mempunyai masalah yang lagi teruk. So AMP dah banyak membantu kita lah dari secara physical support semua. They help us with 3 years financial help lah, for our children's punya EZ-Link top up, their tuition fees and also vouchers. So apa bantuan yang AMP berikan pada kita yang membantu kita kuranglah beban kita.
Not even that, some of them went beyond that. Kak Nam, Abang Syakir, Kak Yasmin, they were with us while we only had 1 child. Until sekarang pun when we had 2, and that child is already 11 years old, they practically like the grandmothers and grandfathers of our children. We kind of adore them so much lah, actually.